It's monster truck time! Are you ready?
Yeah!
Come on, let's hear it up there, man! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are just about ready to start the monster truck throwdown. Like I was saying before, we're going to start off with the best trick competition. Each truck is going to get 2 opportunities to do the best trick, as the name suggests, that they can. We're going to start off with the big Chevy Colossus. You can see right now, Elliot is out. Elliot Miller, the driver, out in front of the windshield. He's putting on his helmet and Hans device. What that is the first layer of protection for the driver. What it actually does is it keeps them from being able to move their head back and forth, or their neck back and forth. Because each and every time these trucks take to the air, it is pretty much like being in a car accident. It sounds violent. If they didn't have the safety systems that they do, it would be that way. That's why they buckle in with that Hans and helmet. Then they're strapped into a 6-point safety harness surrounded by a complicated web of roll cage tubing. And we have a few other safety systems that we'll get into as the show goes on. It looks like we are just about ready. Wilmot, are you ready to count them down? Remember, if you got a flag, this is your time. And if you don't have a flag, you can still shout along with us as we count down. So ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. If you're ready, I believe I am ready. The drivers are ready. Let's count it down. 10. 9, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Another one of our safety features. It's called the RII, or the Remote Ignition Interrupter. Each time these trucks run, they will be tested in the pit. What it is actually a handheld device. The track official passing down there with it in his hand and actually allows our track crew to shut the truck off remotely at any point in time. And it has to be tested every time the trucks run. All right, I think we are just about ready. Wilmot, are you ready to go? First up, Elliot Miller in Colossus. on the All-Star Circuit of Champions. First quarter. This truck was made famous by Yako and Karen out of Michigan. Now, there it is. Well, dangerous, leading. Push the hand in the air.
Мощно.
The judges are unanimous. 9, your winner is Terminal Velocity. What they're going to do, they're going to start on the white line. They're going to go over 1, 2, and 3 jumps, starting the same lane they're in. They're just going to make 2 turns when there's 2 trucks on the line at the same time. They're actually going to change each other. I'm going to come first. That extra donut was thrown just for each man. Not a part of the track. 24 and 37 to time. The Elliott Miller in the Rocket. Now when you see how wet the track is, it's so bad. All taken over gas. It's quite a good racing surface. The one is wet and it's quite dry and hard. On the back stretch right now, the truck truck rides up, doing its thing all throughout the day and beyond. We will not be stopping until everyone gets a ride that wants one. So if your little one's getting a little antsy sitting in the grandstands, stop on down to turn number 1 and see Todd and the crew. They'll get you hooked up with a ride that you will not soon forget. He's also going to be running during intermission and after the show. So plenty of time to take a ride on Crunch Time. Dangerous. 1680 for Uproar. That's going to be your fast qualifying by over 6 seconds.
Так, ну и как всегда, везде очень много жрачки. Вот здесь сколько? Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь. 7 окон. Здесь отдельные 2, где пиво продают. И вот здесь вот это здание, здесь чисто спиртное. Ну, коктейли разные. И там вот еще отдельный киоск с лобстером. Лобстер, стейки. Excuse me. Очередь в туалет женский, а в мужской очереди нет. Ну, как обычно, по классике. Так, ну что, сейчас можно прокатиться вот на этом траке большом. Встану в очередь. Классное, конечно, мероприятие, как все организовано. Вообще прям огонь. Молодцы американцы, бля. Ничего не скажешь в этом плане. Для детей есть абсолютно все в этой стране. Вот, так вообще стоит 20 баксов прокатиться. Но у меня был VIP-билет, поэтому там это включено. Yeah, sure.
Right here. Yes, sir. Hey, look at all the food. All right, buddy, that's gonna be cool. I'll get more when you get up there, okay?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you, sir?
Hi, thank you.
Logan, I'm going to do this ride, and then I need that t-shirt cannon and that bag of t-shirts.
Alright. Yes, yes. You want me to get the free shirt? Yeah.
Just blame it on the kid being in the way. It's okay.
Couldn't see. All good, Dad.
You ready, buddy?
How's the ride, folks?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Watch your step and exit over there.
Uh-huh. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Я ушел, думал, что конец, и там еще сейчас началось какое-то главное мотошоу. Сейчас поднимусь, посмотрю.
All right, as they approach the ramp, let's start the chant. Flip, flip, flip.
Блин, ну на этом траке прокатиться было, конечно, классно. Это очень, очень весело.
Tim Dyson and Ted Woodward, freestyle motocross. And that is going to do it for our freestyle motocross riders. How about it one more time for Tim Dyson and Ted Woodward? And it looks like coming to the track. Trucker time in the crunch time. I don't see anybody in the back of the truck though. Todd, it's not freestyle. What are we doing? Oh wait, I think I know what he's doing. Does anybody out there want a free t-shirt? I do! This is the part of the show. When Todd's feeling generous, he reaches down into his bag of t-shirts and gives some of them away. But he only gives them away to the wildest and craziest throwdown fans. If you want some free stuff, you know, make some noise!
Короче, бесплатные футболки сейчас будут там как-то разыгрывать.
Who wants more?
Из пневматики будет выстреливать футболка. Второй заряд пошел.
Tried to shoot two at once. Unfortunately. But still got it going. There's the PSI up. Here we go. Who hasn't gotten a t-shirt? Let me hear you make some noise.
Блин, ну детям здесь еще в кайф, конечно. Пойду повыше поднимусь. Thank you.
I got water. A couple more. Who wants a t-shirt?
самый главный трак.
He's gonna put on a show. Who's ready for the red dog? Eyeing the crush cars up. He's out the window. He wants to make the ready. He puts it up on the back wheels, crushing those cars. The carbureted, fuel, not even fuel injected, carbureted small block Chevy with a supercharger on it. First weekend that he's had the blower on it.
Oh no!
That's one reason why these trucks are now fuel injected, because when those trucks go vertical, carburetors will use fuel. Looks like we may
Все, приехали, что ли?
give a ride back. What did you guys think of the red dog? Trip through the monster, throw down, that off. He's got to fire back up. Who wants to see it one more time? Let's start this in. Red dog. Red dog.
Red dog. Ну что такое, а?
Now remember how I said before, every time you guys think this guy is like car accident, he's sitting on a bench. But well, put on a show. He is a showman. He's gonna try it one more time.
Что такое, а?
Mr. Palazzo. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of the red dog? And the driver is A-OK. He is out of the truck. Give it up for Jeff Palazzo and the red dog. Now we're going to get this truck back onto all four wheels. Then we have our competing trucks, freestyle, to go. Absolutely incredible. Thought he was going to save it, but unable to do so. That was a job of driving by Josh Deletzko. In the red dog. Some of the differences. This truck, every truck out there. All the competing trucks have 2 shocks per corner. Red dog, 4 in each corner, but they're a lot smaller. Well, these are actually handling for tight suspension. A lot of the guys back in the old days trying to figure out what works best. They tried a whole lot of different things, but hold here. I watched a lot of old videos from months ago, all sorts of different designs. Now you still have that ingenuity, but the guys figured out what definitely does work. Very tall truck with a very short wheelbase. Oftentimes does not work for this feature. The other thing, this truck runs on gasoline. The small block Chevy 383 stroke motor. It's got a 671 truck. Great job by the truck crew. Great dog is back on all fours.
круто, конечно. Все, теперь точно все. Они попрощались. Так что такое прям баллов, наверное, на 8 из 10 шоу, я бы сказал. Для такой деревни, это штат Вискансин, небольшой город, я считаю, очень даже неплохо. От тачек что осталось? Нормально спрессовало.
All right, he's out of the truck and he can hear you. How about it for your freestyle overall champion, John Zimmer Sr. in uproar? Well done. Unfortunate luck for you boys, but I mean, you get 2 stars. Well, congratulations. Yeah, no, man.